Assalamualaikum. Miss sekali lagi. Assalamualaikum, Miss Shakira. I'm my fellow friends. Today, we will be presenting the topic of carbon fiber as aircraft parts material. So I will introduce myself first as presenter one. My name is Ahmad Amir Akif bin Ahmad Jasrul. My matrix number is 207449. And I would like to invite my friend to introduce himself.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Iman bin Ahmad, matrix number 205901.
Great. Now we will begin our slide. Okay, for the introduction part. Now, why do you think that carbon fiber will be a superior material compared to other materials like aluminum, steel, titanium, and so on? Before we get into deeper, allow me to tell you that they made carbon fibers usually combined with other materials that will form composite, which the result of the material make it heat resistance. Why this material is used for the aircraft? Basically, it is because the aircraft often deal with high temperature when it fly with high speed. So at the end of this presentation, the the objective we obtain is knowing why it is used in this field and how effective the carbon fiber compared to other materials. So this is the preview of our presentation. We will get through introduction, our first main point, second main point, and conclusion. Jumping into our first main point, carbon fiber are very stiff, strong, and light filament used in polymer. What that means is it will not get softened easily and melt. The great thing about this material is it can resist temperature up to 200 degrees Celsius. Next, as we can see the graph besides, carbon fiber has drastically high tensile stiffness among other materials. Since we know that it is tough and high temperature resistance, it has been widely used in aircraft parts such as aircraft brake pads and rocket nozzles. Even when we look at our next slide, okay, half of the Boeing 787 are made of carbon fiber that apply to its main body, to wings, and its tails. So not just that, the carbon fiber will benefit us with its flexibility to form any complex shapes and help in reducing the joints parts of the aircraft. Looking at the metal, it is difficult to shape them, while carbon fiber will make our work easier, more efficient. By that, reducing component part will minimize the weight of the aircraft. The diagram below shows how easy to form any type of shape of the carbon fiber, whether it has complex shape, very thick or thin components. So for our second main point, I will pass it to Iman Ahmad. Please welcome.
Let's get to the second main point, carbon fiber sustainability. So carbon fiber can be recycled using solvolysis process. It is dissolving the resin. So carbon fiber is made of layer of the carbon fiber itself, and it will be reinforced with resin. So I will explain with example here. This is a carbon fiber, and we put a solvent into it, and we wait to the carbon fiber to dissolve. So now we can take out the strain of the carbon fiber itself, and we can recycle it. So solvolysis process is an inline process offering more sustainability. Before this, to recycle carbon fiber, we need to use part by part process. So it will take a longer time and it cost a lot more. Recycled carbon fiber are also very strong. So we can see the picture below here. On the left side is the recycled carbon fiber. It doesn't show any defect of the from the previous carbon fiber that need to be recycled. So, and also over here we can see the recycled carbon fiber can also be formed and be shaped, and it can hold its shapes. So the next part is using carbon fiber can also reduce the cost of aircraft manufacturing. So because the raw carbon fiber itself is very expensive, and the cost to make carbon fiber is very expensive, therefore the high demand of material will increase. We see on the chart over here from 2016 and estimated in 2027, the market size of carbon fiber is gradually increased. So therefore, this is related to the price of the carbon fiber, because the high demand of the carbon fiber. So by using the recycled carbon fiber help reduce the cost of the production. The next is carbon fiber sustainability, because carbon fiber is not biodegradable. Carbon fiber does not corrode, degrade, and rust. And also carbon fiber is very strong. This is a picture over here is an example of aluminium. By over time, when it was exposed to air and oxygen, it will oxidize. When it oxidizes, it will reduce the strength of the material itself and can easily break. And this is the picture of the string, every single string of the carbon fiber. Carbon fiber is the most basic graphite, so it won't biodegrade and it will last longer. So it can also help increase the lifespan of the aircraft parts because it can last very long. Carbon fiber can last forever, and it has a high temperature tolerance. So therefore, because like Amin said just now, in aircraft industry, we deal with a lot of heat. So, and also it have positive environmental impact because of this, it can be recycled and can last forever. So it doesn't cause any problem to the environment, and also it can also help lowering the cost for the maintenance. So this picture over here is an example of the fuselage of an aircraft. It was made from carbon fiber because it is very strong, and also it can last very long time. In conclusion, I will sum up all the main points. Carbon fiber are very stiff, strong, and light filament used in polymer. Because we already know in aircraft industry, we need a very strong material and we need a lightweight. And the next one is carbon fiber sustainability, because carbon fiber can be recycled and also it can last a very long time. This is the end of our presentation. Thank you for listening.
Thank you.